If you ever read The Last Angry Man, Dr. Abelman was my father. He was against all the Gonovists and the crooks. He was a true, true socialist. But it was with caring. And if he was so goddamn honest, he would have been a business agent years earlier. But he would fight every tooth and nail with the bosses. And my Uncle Al, who was, you know, he's one of these guys who made $1 million, lost $1 million. He influenced this family like the patriarch of old. He was one of these guys. Everybody worked for him. I started working when I was 16. Drive you nuts. Absolutely. Could never please the man. Never pleased the man. Everybody had to walk away from him. At some place in your lifetime, you had to walk away. He'd fight you for a penny. Be generous. He gave so much money to the temples and this and that. Fight you for a penny. And that's the way he thought of training you. Bad. Bad. I had to get away from him.